Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share useful and practical advice for new parents. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the biggest challenges that you might face as a new parent: how to get better sleep. Sleep is vital for your health, happiness, and well-being, but it can be hard to come by when you have a newborn who needs your constant attention and care. You might feel exhausted, irritable, stressed, or even depressed if you don't get enough rest. But don't worry, there are some strategies that can help you cope with sleep deprivation and improve your sleep quality and quantity. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the best sleep solutions for new parents, based on the latest research and expert recommendations. These solutions will help you deal with the common causes of sleep disruption, create a comfortable and relaxing sleep environment, and get some extra snooze time whenever possible. Let's get started. Solution number 1: sync your sleep with your babies. One of the main reasons why new parents lose sleep is because they have to wake up several times during the night to feed, change, or comfort their baby. This can disrupt your sleep cycle and make you feel groggy and tired the next day. To avoid this, you can try to sync your sleep with your babies as much as possible. This means going to bed when your baby does, taking naps when your baby does, and waking up when your baby does. This way, you can maximize the amount of sleep you get and minimize the number of interruptions. Of course, this might not always be feasible or desirable, especially if you have other responsibilities or preferences. In that case, you can still try to adjust your sleep schedule to match your baby's as closely as possible. For example, if your baby tends to wake up early in the morning, you can try to go to bed earlier in the evening. If your baby tends to nap in the afternoon, you can try to take a nap too or use that time to relax. Solution number 2: establish a consistent bedtime routine for yourself and your baby. Another reason why new parents struggle with sleep is because their baby's internal clock is not yet fully developed. Newborns have no sense of day and night and tend to sleep and wake up at random intervals. This can make it hard for you to establish a regular sleep schedule and get enough sleep. To help your baby develop a healthy circadian rhythm, you can establish a consistent bedtime routine for yourself and your baby. A consistent bedtime routine can include: 1. Avoiding caffeine, alcohol, nicotine, or other stimulants close to bedtime. These substances can interfere with your sleep quality and quantity. 2. Avoiding screens or electronics before bed. These devices can emit blue light that can suppress your melatonin production and keep you awake. 3. Doing some gentle stretching or yoga poses to release tension from your muscles and joints. 4. Practicing some deep breathing exercises or meditation to calm your mind and focus on positive thoughts. 5. Reading a book, listening to a podcast, or doing another non-stimulating activity that you enjoy. 6. Giving your baby a bath, a massage, a feeding, or a cuddle. 7. Singing a lullaby, reading a story, or playing some soft music for your baby. 8. Putting your baby in their crib or bassinet while they are drowsy but still awake. By doing this every night at the same time, you can help your baby learn the difference between day and night and gradually adjust to a more predictable sleep pattern. You can also help yourself relax and fall asleep faster at night. Solution number 3: make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Your bedroom should be a place where you feel comfortable and relaxed. To make it more conducive to sleep, you can follow some simple tips. 1. Keep your bedroom dark and quiet by using curtains, blinds, or an eye mask, earplugs, or a white noise machine. This will block out any light or noise that might disturb your sleep. 2. Maintain a comfortable room temperature by adjusting the thermostat or using fans or blankets. This will prevent you from feeling too hot or cold during the night. 3. Use aromatherapy or massage oils to create a soothing atmosphere. Lavender, chamomile, or jasmine are some of the scents that can help you relax. 4. Listen to soothing music or sounds like ocean waves or raindrops before bed. This will calm your mind and body and prepare you for sleep. Solution number 4: get some fresh air and exercise during the day. One of the best ways to boost your energy and mood as a new parent is to get some fresh air and exercise during the day. Getting some sun exposure in the morning can help regulate your circadian rhythm and make you feel more alert during the day. Getting some physical activity can increase your blood circulation, oxygen intake, and endorphin levels, which can improve your physical and mental health. Getting some fresh air and exercise during the day can also help you sleep better at night, as it can reduce stress, improve mood, and tire you out. You don't have to do anything too strenuous or time-consuming to reap the benefits of fresh air and exercise. You can simply take your baby on a walk around the block, go to a park or a playground, or do some gardening or yard work. You can also join a fitness class or a group of other parents who are interested in staying active. Just make sure you don't exercise too close to bedtime, as this can keep you awake. Solution number 5: ask for and accept help from others. One of the most important things that you can do as a new parent is to ask for and accept help from others. Whether it's your partner, family member, friend, or babysitter, having someone else take over some of the tasks can give you a chance to rest and recharge. Here are some ways you can ask for help from others. 1. Ask your partner to watch the baby for a few hours during the day while you take a nap or do something for yourself. 2. Ask a family member or friend to bring you some food, do some chores, or run some errands for you. 3. Join a support group or online community of other parents who are going through the same challenges and can offer advice or encouragement. 4. Seek professional help if you feel depressed, anxious, or overwhelmed by your new role as a parent. 4. Postpartum depression is a serious condition that affects many women and can interfere with their ability to bond with their baby and enjoy parenthood. I hope you found these solutions helpful and that you'll be able to get better sleep as a new parent. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, but a necessity for you and your baby. So don't feel guilty about prioritizing it and asking for help when you need it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and share your own sleep solutions or experiences. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, sweet dreams.